Writing string to a file on a new line every time. I want to append a new line to my string every time I call file.write. What's the easiest way to do this in Python?
Use \n. See the Python manual for reference.
You can do this in two ways. Or, depending on your Python version, 2 or 3.
You can use
If you use it extensively, a lot of written lines, you can subclass file. Now it offers an additional function WL that does what you want. Maybe I am missing something like different newline characters, \n, \r, or that the last line is also terminated with a new line, but it works for me.
If you want to see more, please proceed